Hey everybody, and welcome to Boston, Massachusetts. Today I'm going to walk the full length of Milk Street. It basically runs from down here by the aquarium and the waterfront. This is Old Atlantic Ave right here. And it runs up to Washington Street. Today is February 14th, 2023. It's about noon, and it is a beautiful 50 degrees out with a bit of a breeze. Beautiful. It is a very beautiful early afternoon, and we're about to cross over Atlantic Ave. We are crossing over the Rose Kennedy Greenway, which is a 1.5 mile walkway along many beautiful parks and gardens. It was a product of the Big Dig, which put Interstate 93 underground, and they later built these beautiful parks. And it's just, you can walk basically through many of the Boston neighborhoods. There we go as we're crossing Surface Road. There's the Granary Tavern. Great view of the Custom House tower from here. It stands at 496 feet tall. So there are two theories as to why Milk Street is called Milk Street, that I found anyway. One is that it was named after a milk market at that location. And the other theory is that Milk Street was named after an early shipwright in Boston named John Milk. The land was originally conveyed to his father, also John Milk, in October of 1666. We just crossed India Street, by the way, and I believe we're approaching Broad Street now. Got some beautiful views of the buildings here. And this is Broad Street. Looks like I'll need to cross the street right here because it looks like there's construction. As we approach Post Office Square. So this is the Norman Leventhal Park. Unfortunately, the Great Fire of 1972 burnt down a lot of the buildings in this area, but it made way for this great park and vantage point that we have today. I'm going to cross the street to get a better viewpoint on some of the buildings to the left here. We will be approaching Benjamin Franklin's birthplace, which is in at 17 Milk Street. His house is no longer there, obviously. It was burned down in 1811. But there is a plaque on the building of where his house was. We'll take a look at that. Some beautiful details on these buildings. But that's not the Benjamin Franklin building. Here's the post office. That's cool. So here's Benjamin Franklin's, where his house was, I guess. On the second floor, there's a plaque. It's over at Greco now. Great food, by the way. Benjamin Franklin was the 15th of 17 kids. It's hard to believe. And we're going to end up here at the Old South Meeting House. And I'll just go around the other side, but it's where Samuel Adams gave the signal that started the Boston Tea Party.
And then one day a real crime falls.
And we are now on Washington Street. I'll work my way across here and give you a better view of the Old South Meeting House, which has a souvenir shop underneath. There it is. Alright, I guess that concludes this video. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you aren't subscribed and you like my content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And check out my photography at WayneOxfordPhotography.com. And I'll see you next time.